Hey guys, so I tested positive for COVID yesterday and I don't feel that great. So today's video is going to be a little short, but we had 25 crypto exchanges that have gone bye-bye over the past 30 days from a period of June 6th all the way up to July 6th. 25 exchanges from 525. Now we're down at 500. And two of them we already know of. One of them is Huobi, Thailand, that literally on the 6th, they announced that they were shutting down for July 1st. They tried venturing into a new market in Thailand and things didn't work out. And that happens with big companies all the time. So, second exchange that we know of was Maori Exchange, which this suffered, and I'm sure just like all the other crypto exchanges, if anything large happens with most of their funds, then they are forced to go insolvent at that point. And especially with the market downturn, any crisis can suddenly spell bankruptcy. It's just like most of America, you don't really have savings, you're over leveraged, and you're just one crisis, maybe a health crisis or a vehicle emergency away from bankruptcy. Isn't that fantastic? So that's what's happening with a lot of exchanges, and the massacre is still not over. There's still going to be probably tens or maybe even hundreds of exchanges that will fall over the next year. I know in 2020, before the year was fully done, you had well over 100 exchanges that fell. They come and they go. Now, the big boys, they stay around, but you have a lot of smaller players, couple $100 or less. Some are DeFi, some are decentralized, some are centralized. And regardless, the ones that are definitely playing with higher leverages are going to be stuck in a bear market and they're going to go insolvent. Then there's going to be some others like this Mayor cryptocurrency exchange where they lost $117 million to a crypto hacker. That's that one crisis, and they can't afford to pay out. And there's a lot of exchanges that have stopped withdrawals, and they might be going down next. So even the big guys are affected, let alone all these smaller local players. Again, all it takes, $5 million hack, $10 million stolen, a rug pull, whatever, and that exchange is gone. Finito, closed. All the withdrawals suspended. Half of these exchanges that are currently suspended, they're not coming back. And it is definitely nerve-wracking. Tomorrow we're doing a video on Voyager, which has suspended their trading. We're doing an update. We went through their terms of service last time. We're going to go through a little bit more documentation. There's a ton of exchanges right now that are going through major pauses, or they're very close to shutting down. So pretty terrifying aspect considering how many crypto billions are invested. Now, this has happened many times in the past before. Just last year, South Korea, tons of exchanges closed. And China had tons of exchanges closed because of new sanctions. Russian exchanges, ones that are currently having a majority of Russian customers, they're definitely impacted. There's tons of exchanges that have gone and went and they're scams. And there's others that are just impacted by the world around them. Now, the big ones will stay around and they'll evolve, but even Binance and Huobi, they've been affected with smaller exchanges for local areas. Talked about Huobi, Thailand. Binance, just remember earlier this year, I think, what was that, in March for Ontario, they had to shut down because the Ontario Security Commission didn't allow them to accept new funds coming in. So, regulations. So, that is it for today's video. There's a lot going on in crypto right now. We are kind of in a lull. I feel terrible. So guys, I'm going to leave you with what I saw not too long ago, a couple days back. This was a beautiful thunderstorm lightning out in the countryside of Illinois. Take a look at this and then look at the lightning map. It's gorgeous. As you can tell, I'm a big fan of the countryside. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thanks for watching today's video. Have a great rest of your day. And take care, guys. Take care. Bye.